Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by disabling rotation lock so the system can reorient the display. This is essential because apps follow system rotation. Once done, hold the phone upside down with a steady two-hand grip to avoid accidental drops, and open the app you intend to use. You're doing this now to observe how the interface reacts. If icons or menus shift, make note. This early check tells you whether the phone, app, and sensors are ready for full upside-down use. Next, you configure apps and controls so upside-down use is practical. Enable System Auto Rotate or install a rotation control app to force orientation when an app resists, because some apps lock landscape by default. Once configured, adjust gesture sensitivity and accessibility settings so swipes and taps register reliably when inverted. Make sure interactive elements are reachable by repositioning toolbars or using one-hand modes. Finally, you complete setup and verify everything works consistently. Test camera framing, call speaker position, notifications, typing, and any shortcuts. This confirms that both hardware and software behave as expected. Once satisfied, save rotation presets or create an automation so your phone flips automatically in specific contexts. If something goes wrong, make sure to recalibrate the gyroscope, check rotation lock again, or restart the device. That simple troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn orientation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.